Okay guys, today I'll be showing you how to bypass Mobicel Trendy Google account, the previous account of a user or owner of your phone. Maybe you have tried to reset your mobile, or you have tried to do anything updates, then it requires previous Google account. Then you came to the right place. Now I'll be showing you how to remove it permanently. Let's get in. Let's keep it. Connect your Wi-Fi. As you can see, it requires Google account that was used to sync the device. Okay, now let's go back and solve this issue.
On the beats.
Press anything. Click share. Long press Gmail icon. Scroll down, press notification, app settings. Click the three dots at the top right corner, then manage account. Then okay, scroll down. Just follow my steps. Scroll down until you find Google app, notifications, app settings, then switch on shortcuts button.
DaNotorious.
No thanks.
On the beats.
Okay, search Google Chrome. Okay, now you have to search Quick Shortcut Maker APK. Okay, make sure you view original page. Okay, then download. Make sure you allow permission. It's done. Install it. Done. Don't open it, just click done. You still have to download Google account application. Make sure you download the correct Google account for your device. It might be Android 6. Make sure you download Google account for Android 6. it might be Android 5. Make sure you download Google account for Android 5. Mine is Android 6, so I will search for Android 6. Hey Z. Make sure you use techoxygen.com website. Scroll down and hey Z. Just wait. Okay, install.
DaNotorious on the beats.
Then click done. Now you close your Chrome. Press shortcut again, so it will open Google search. Then search quick shortcut maker. Now all I have to do is find Google Account Manager. Oops. Yeah, here are there. There are two of them. Make sure you choose one below. Then click the red dots at the top right corner. Browse sign in. Okay. Now it's time to replace the previous account with your own account. Let me hide my password, guys. Somebody can hack me. Okay, sign in. Immediately after it disappeared, then restart your mobile. Okay, skip. Now we don't need a Wi-Fi connection because we already added our account. Just disconnect the Wi-Fi so it will process fast. Make sure you untick everything. Make sure you untick everything. Click skip. Then okay, now all I have to do is go to your settings. Make sure you remove your account. Oops. Go to accounts. Here's it. Remove your account from your device. Your phone is now clean. It doesn't have a Google account anymore. You can even try to reset it. It will come just like new phone. Okay, now just remove everything you have installed there. Okay, now it's done. Thanks guys for watching. If you have encountered a problem, just leave a comment below, or if you want help regarding your cell phones or whatever, just leave comment below with your mobile model and your name and your problem. Evil Genius is here for you.